All right, we're here in this semi-detached legal duplex conversion in the city of Welland. We definitely do a lot of these projects. If you saw our last video, you would have seen a similar property to this one. In today's video, we're going to show you this property, but also discuss why we like the duplex conversion strategy versus student rental investing. So when I started out investing, one of the early strategies I tested out was buying a property with 5 or 6 bedrooms, renting them out, and creating that positive cash flow. Recently though, for myself and for our investors, I've generally tended to recommend moving away from student rentals and more to doing this kind of duplex conversion strategy. I'm actually in the process of figuring out if I can sell the 2 student rentals that I have currently, because one of the challenges we're finding more and more is if you have individual room leases in a student rental, many banks don't like those type of properties. Right now I'm trying to refinance a duplex conversion that I own, and the bank that I'm trying to do this is declining my application because I own 2 other student rentals that are rented by the room. And because of COVID, it made it much harder to rent them out to a single group of students. So we've been forced to sort of rent them out room by room. So overall, they both are strategies that can create cash flow. One of the challenges with the duplex conversion, we are doing bigger renovations. We rarely find these properties turnkey, and if they are turnkey, the price is usually quite a bit higher. So most of our clients are buying the base property as a single family home, putting in the anywhere from $50,000 to $100,000 to renovate it, to create those 2 legal apartments. And there are always challenges that come with larger renovations, but the huge upside is once you're done, you can go back to the bank, you can pull out your renovation cost, and as you buy more properties, what we find is you have a lot more options when it comes to lenders to qualify on these purchases, to qualify on the refinances. Every bank is pretty much friendly to a property with 2 family leases versus a home that's rented to 5 or 6 students. So I hope you found that helpful, sort of the comparison of the 2 strategies. Let's check out this property. All right, we're now in the legal basement apartment in this semi-detached home. And you can see behind me here, we have a brand new kitchen, and it looks gorgeous, just been installed. If you follow me to the living space, you can see we have just a few inches of clearance here under the ductwork, but I'm 6'3", so we have almost 6'5" clearance under the ducts, which is what you need for a legal basement. And throughout the rest of the unit, you have close to 7 feet high ceiling. So it definitely feels spacious in this living room. We got this gorgeous, huge window to the basement apartment in this living space. You don't often get large windows in a basement, but with this type of home, a raised bungalow style of semi-detached home, you get a lot of natural light. So if you are interested in creating a legal basement apartment, definitely check out our beginner's guide to creating a legal basement apartment. I created this with my architect Jordan, and it goes into the step-by-step requirements that this client actually had to follow to create this legal basement apartment. So definitely check it out in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, let us know. We're always looking at the questions and answering, and until next time, all the best.